It's finally time for the moment we've all been waiting for. What you're about to witness is the ultimate showdown of man versus animal. This race is so monumental, in fact, that if anyone is going to ruin it, it might as well be Nolan.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. आज देखेंगे
Let's answer the most important question in modern history. Can a cheetah outrace a Formula E car? Let's find out.
कौन जीतेगा गाइस? वीडियो को लास्ट तक बने
That was so fast.
कौन जीतेगा गाइस? फॉर्मूला 1 या चीता? देखते हैं।
The car just flew past the cheetah. Oh my God! Although Millie didn't win, it is crazy to me that a cheetah can hold its own against the same car used in the Formula